Hello there, my name is Jiffy Tech Gaming. Today I'll be teaching HTML, CSS. This is episode 2. We're just going to go over everything real quick. Again, this is our header. Here's our image. Here's our paragraph. Here's our ordered list. Our button, our form, our table, our site, and our footer. Here's all the CSS. Background color, light blue. Header, dark blue. Paragraph, green. Ordered list, square. That's the little dots here. Our form, our input, our table, our footer. Yeah. And that's where we are so far. That's all right. Let's add a little more magic to your digital castle by enhancing its appearance. Advanced CSS. CSS layouts and Flexbox. Flexbox makes it easy to arrange elements in a neat layout, structured layout. Display flex property helps arrange elements in a flexible layout. What is that? Flex direction, column, row, hold direction, items, alignment, align items center, aligns items in the center, recap. Now, you've now structured the page, header, main content, sidebar, and footer. Style with CSS use Flexbox to create a flex. Responsive layout, your digital castle is becoming quite impressive. Ready to dive into more advanced styling with JavaScript. We're just going to copy this, paste. Uh, uh, uh. I'm not sure what the flex is. Let's see. Specifies how flex items are placed in the flex column by setting direction of the flex container's main axis. Alignment, align items center, align items in the center. Yeah, I don't know what the flex is. I can't explain what flex is. This is a pretty fell tutorial. This? This thing at the top? I don't know. Let's continue. Excellent. Now it's sprinkled with the magic dust on our castle with some activity. Using JavaScript. Think of JavaScript as the wizardry that makes things respond. Add JavaScript interaction. Add a script. JavaScript goes into a script tag. Create an event. Listener, make the button do something when clicked. Code example. JavaScript goes between script tags, usually at the end of the body for better performance. Event listener makes the button show an alert clicked. Add JavaScript here. Ah, script document, get element by ID, magic button. Add event listener. Welcome to the match. Hmm. See what a button does. Magical castle. Welcome to the magical castle. I'm not sure what to do with the CSS code. I figured it would have automatically added it, but it didn't. It just made a separate thing. I don't know what to do with that. It says it gives us an animation. Makes the button change colors smoothly. Let's see where we are on time. All right, we're 6:50. This was a pretty bad episode. Uh, Clearly didn't explain anything. We don't know what Flexbox is. I don't know what Flexbox is. This just looks like gibberish. Add event listener, like alert. I'm not gonna remember all that. Anyway, that's episode 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.